Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By AI of Isesaki FM. On the 10th, the prosecution indicted a 69-year-old truck driver on charges of negligent driving resulting in death and injury in the accident in Isesaki City, Gunma Prefecture, in May this year, in which a truck collided with two passenger cars, killing a family of 3. The defendant is Goro Suzuki, 69 years old, and it is alleged that he crashed into the oncoming lane at a speed of 90 km per hour, killing the 3 family members. The police confirm that he had been drinking while driving, but at this point he has been charged with negligent driving resulting in death and injury.